Hi guys, this is Awais back with another tutorial of AutoCAD Essential Training. In this video, I will discuss divide and measure command. Divide and measure command, both of them outputs a point object. You can use this command to lay out objects. So I've got my drawing opened, and let's say we want to add a stool to this kitchen island. And I've got a stool outside my drawing. What I want to do is I want to select this tool and move it to this drawing. So I'll use move command and select this tool, select your base point, and then just move it to your drawing. So now I would like to have 3 stools on this line, which are all equally spaced on this line. I can use divide command to help me determine how can we do that. So type div spacebar. Now it's asking me to select object to divide. So I'm gonna go and select this line. Now it's asking me to enter the number of segments. So I'm gonna go and type 4, press spacebar. Now the command is done. As you can see, pretty much nothing has happened. But actually, divide command has been created 3 point object. These points are displayed as single pixels, and they are hard to see. It will be hard to see if the layer will be the same as the object. So what I want to do is I want to change the style of the points so we can look at them. So to look at the pixels, what I want to do, I want to type a little noun command, which is ddtp spacebar. So I've got a dialog box here. I can select any shape to represent the points. So I like that one, so I'll select that one and press OK. And now as you can see, we got 3 points divided with the same space on this line. So while I want to choose this line, and I want to snap this stool to these pixels, so I'll leave the style of the point the way it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a copy command and then select this object. And what I want to do, I want to select the midpoint of the stool here. So I will hold down shift key, right click, and choose midpoint, and I will select midpoint. And then what I want to do, now as you can see, I've got no object snapping here. So the points commands accept a node object snapping. So what I want to do, I want to hold down shift key, right click, and select node. And now if you go next to the point, you will see the object snapping now. So I'll click here, and then I'll click on it. I'll click. Oh, you gotta go and select the node command every time you want to copy it. So I'll go and select again, hold down shift key, right click, node, and now you can note that there, hold down shift key, right click, select node, and then click on it. So as you can see, I've got 3 stools equally divided on this line. And now I can go back and change the point style. So I go ddptype command, enter, and then select this one single pixel style of the points, press OK. So these points are basically there, but they are disappeared for now because the point style is a single pixel style. Let's say I'll change the color of this line. I'll change the color of this line by, let's say, red. And now I will move these tools a little bit up. As we go zoom in, and then you can see the single pixel are shown on this line. So the points are basically there, but we can't see it because of the point style. I'll zoom out for now. Just want to mention one thing here. If you don't want to hold down shift key and then right click to select node while you are copying those tools on the line, you can go and turn on object snapping, and if you click on this arrow, and then you can select which one will automatically work. So I'll go and check this node, and I'll highly recommend this perpendicular as well. And then if I go and select my move command now and select this and go to that, as you can see now, I got the automatic object snapping is on now. So that's how you can work with it. Let's talk about measure command now. But first, what I want to do, I want to get rid of these points. So what I do, I will start my selection from left to right by selecting window, and I click, and then I press delete, or you can use erase command there. And now I'm gonna delete these stools as well. So the measure command basically lets you set distance between the objects. So what I want to do, I want to select this stool and set a distance. For that, I'm going to go and select the measure command by typing MEASURE spacebar, and now it's going to ask me to select the object. So what I want to do, I want to select this line, and now it's going to ask me the length of the segment. So let's say I will type 5 feet, and I press spacebar, and now what I'm going to do is select from crossing window left to right. As you can see, I've got this point there which has 5 feet distance between from the starting point and this node. So what if I select this whole line? Now I've got 5 feet distance here, 5 feet distance in the middle, and rest it, whatever is left, it will be there. So the measure command can create this type of measurement, but the problem with this, you're gonna have a leftover. Whatever is there, it's gonna be there. So this is the remainder here, that distance after that point. So in this case, when we're trying to get 3 stool on this line, divide command is way better than the measure command. But there will be some circumstances where you will be better off using measure command rather than divide command, when you need to make sure there's a set distance between objects. So there you have it. These are 2 commands. There you have it. There are 2 commands which are really useful to lay out objects. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.